Everyone, welcome to this episode where we will explore an issue that is often debated in various circles. LGBT in Indonesia. What is LGBT? Why is this issue such a sensitive and important topic to discuss? Let's take a look together. LGBT stand for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender. These four terms refer to sexual orientation and gender identity that differ from traditional heterosexual norms. Lesbian are women who are in love with other women. Guys are men who are in love with other men. Bisexual are those who are attracted to both sex, and transgender refers to individuals whose gender identity is different from their birth sex. While LGBT might be familiar to many in the world, in Indonesia, the issue remains a big debate. Indonesia, as a Muslim-oriented country with a culture heavily influenced by traditional norms, has a complex view on LGBT issue. In many cases, Indonesian society tends to be a deeply traditional one, which affects why LGBT people are viewed. While some groups are supportive, many people still view LGBT people with stigma, fear, and even hatred. This is due to the influence of religion, custom, and education in Indonesia. However, over time, there have also been movements that have tried to fight for LGBT rights, even though they are often limited by existing law and social norms. Have you ever wondered what it's like to live as an LGBT person in Indonesia? For them, the challenges are massive, from social stigma, discrimination, physical and verbal violence, to family rejection. In fact, in some areas, LGBT people are considered a threat to the morality of society. Sometimes they are forced to hide their identity for safety. Many LGBT individuals in Indonesia feel isolated, unable to even be themselves for fear of punishment or judgment. Reports of violence on LGBT people are on the rise, and unfortunately, many cases do not receive enough attention from law enforcement. Even with the challenge, the fight for LGBT rights in Indonesia has not stopped. Many non-government organizations and activities are fighting to protect their basic rights, such as the right to work without discrimination, the right to marry, and the right to live with a great personality. However, the biggest challenge is legal insecurity. Indonesia still has no law that specifically protect LGBT rights, and there are even draft laws that could potentially make their situation worse, such as the draft criminal code RKUHP that criminalizes same-sex relationships. However, we cannot forget the religious and cultural perspective that influence many people's view. Many views on LGBT and Indonesian are heavily influenced by religious teaching, especially Islam, which is against same-sex relationship. For some, maintaining traditional value is important, but many argue that understanding and accepting its differences is a step forward for the nation's progress. Even with the minds of this debate, one thing is known for sure: we all deserve to live in peace and mutual respect, regardless of our sexual orientation or gender identity. Maybe we are not fully ready to accept this change, but with open dialogue and better understanding, the hope for a more inclusive and just future remains. LGBT is not a danger, but a part of the diversity that exists in our society. Let us open our heart and minds to understand, support, and together build a more inclusive and loving Indonesia. Thank you for watching. See you next time.